Right, so I'm going to go through the top 5 things I like about the Corsa VXR. I'm here with Keegan, channel in the description for him, follow him. You're about to see a little montage of my car, just so you know what I'm talking about.
Tell me where you been. I've been getting wins. I've been doing things you ain't never seen. I've been blowing up. I've been showing.
Right, so we've got number 5. The cars are very underestimated. People see a Corsa and think, oh, it can't really be that fast. A lot of people actually underestimate them due to that fact that it is a Corsa, and obviously the Corsa's name is obviously used for people who have first cars and such, whereas the VXR, they don't realise how much power they have, and it keeps up with quite a few cars like the A3s, the VRSs and all that sort of stuff. So people are kind of like a bit shocked when obviously they get overtook by a VXR or beat by a VXR.
Yeah, get beat.
So now we've got number 4, cornering and handling. Now the cornering and handling on these cars are actually pretty good. The steering wheel and the steering on it is quite stiff when you go around corners. It does grip to corners and it doesn't feel like it's going to actually spin out. Now I will say in snow they're not that great because it is front wheel drive, but when we're talking about how often we have snow in UK, it's actually not really a bad thing, is it? So yeah, cornering and handling is pretty good on these cars, especially if you get a coilover kit. Or upgraded springs and such, which will also improve your handling. Right, so number 3, we've got overall look of the car. Now I like how the back end of the car is quite chunky. Now with some mud flaps it makes it look a little bit wider, so it's kind of got like a wide body kit feel to it already from the back, not so much from the front, but also how it sits as well. The VXR is 30mm lower on its springs than the standard Corsa D, and I don't know if that is the same for the Corsa E. Somebody will have to let me know if that is the same, but the overall where it sits over the arch, it all looks nice. However, mine is quite low under the arch, just because I prefer that look.
I think when you see a VXR as well, you know its presence on the road. Like, to other people it might just be a VXR, but I know a VXR as soon as I see the back end of the car. As soon as I see the grills at the back of the car, that's it. It's just there.
They're quite noticeable, aren't they, in that sense, where you can actually see the difference straight away on a car. The first thing you look at for the VXR is you notice the gill slits in the vents.
And then you go up and look at the other back end. Well, you go up the car and you just see the badge.
Number 2, I'm going to go with the rear exit diffuser with the single exit in the middle. Now, I do also like the Nürburgring exit, so don't get me wrong, I do like them both. But I just think the triangle exit is something completely different that you don't really see on normal cars. It's a bit of a shame though on these where when you do change your exhaust it is circle instead of a triangle, and I know the standard exhaust is a triangle, but you know, that just the whole look on the back end with the triangle exit is just completely, I think it completely makes the car, it makes it completely different. That's the way you can tell it as well from the standard Corsas with that single exit on the back.
Yeah man, just about to say it really does make that triangle there, it makes the car. It just completely stands out.
It's something completely different, isn't it? It's like you don't really see it on any cars. Instead of, you see it on high-end sports cars.
It is a shame to see that it's not going to be on the other ones.
Yeah,
because they're changing models, aren't they? Going GSI, aren't they?
Yeah, they're scrapping the VXR going to GSI. So yeah, that's the number 2. So right, so number 1, finally, we're here, is the modding capabilities on these cars. Now, there's plenty of things out there that you can do on these cars. I've not seen any 2 Corsa VXRs that's been modded that are exactly the same. Now, people take ideas from other people take ideas from me. I've seen people taking ideas from my car and putting it on their own spin on it. So yeah, there's just so much things you can do. Induction kits, different filters, intercoolers, you know, exhaust systems. There's literally so much things that you can do with these cars, like modding wise.
Yeah, just there's loads of different brands out there as well, isn't there? You don't have to, everybody can have an induction kit, but it don't have to be one that you've got. Like, you can have a Pabcross, you could have K&N.
Yeah, exactly.
There's all different varieties, and it's all people's different vibes, what they're feeling on car. So yeah, they're just amazing cars.
Right guys, so that's my top 5 things that I like about my Corsa VXR with Keegan. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.